Hi, I'm Jordan. I'm from Belfast, Northern Ireland, and I just finished the VizAcademy course. Um, I came across VizAcademy about a year ago on Instagram and thought that the work from the students was fantastic. Didn't do anything about it because I thought I could find a cheaper alternative. Tried Pluralsight, but always felt like there was knowledge gaps. I tried digging on YouTube, on the internet, and wasted a lot of time and wasn't really getting the results I was hoping for. So eventually did the course and have absolutely no regrets. It's totally worth the money. It took me from I was pretty much a beginner. Um, I knew my way around 3ds Max a little bit, but nothing compared to what Mike and the team teach you. The best thing about Viz Academy is the support. The videos that you get to learn are fantastic. The knowledge that is in them is fantastic, but having Mike and his team there on hand 7 days a week to answer questions is just the best thing about it. Because 3ds Max, it's very complicated and there's a lot of things that can go wrong. So having their knowledge on hand to guide you just saves so much time and helps you progress so much faster. There's a lot of people like me, as a beginner, and to see all the work from everybody. Everybody had fantastic results by the end of the course. It is really you have to kind of dedicate your time to it. It's intense, and they're teaching you a lot in those 7 weeks. So definitely make sure you've got the time to do it. But it's a fantastic course. Would highly recommend it to anybody who wants to actually become a professional CGI artist in the ArcViz world. It's the best course that I've done, and feel like I do have the tools now to go and do work for clients in the real world. So thank you, Viz Academy team. It was a fantastic course, and I'm so grateful.